How to find auto join groups settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find auto join groups settings on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. Now click this settings icon and scroll down until you find messaging, and then scroll down again, and here you will find chat settings. Now just here you will find it auto join groups. Now you can turn it off or on easy just by one click, and then go back. It will be saved. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.